made some space on the right to do some calculations, but what it says is total capacity is 7,51,000 tons. Okay, so that is what is 7,51,000 tons, of which Lanco's will be 12%. So this 12% of this number, 16% of this number, and so on. So let us see what their individual capacities are first. For the utilization, you have to see production by capacity, which is that ratio is highest where. So you have the productions for these here. Okay, let us see here individual capacities. Lanco's individual capacity is 12%, 0.12 of 7,51,000 tons. 10% would have meant 75,000 tons. Adding another 2% would mean 15, so it will be 90,000 tons. So this number will be 90,000 tons, around 90,000. Okay, then don't have to worry about getting the exact value. Data interpretation, most of those will give you some space for calculations, meaning you don't have to calculate 0.1 to 7,51,000 tons. What is this in 3 decimals? So I have just done 7,50,000 tons and gone ahead with the calculation. So I get 90,000. So production utilization, if I calculate, is production by capacity. This by 90,000. Satavahana Ispat is 16%, so it will be 0.16 of 7,50,000. So this will be another 1,20,000, approximately 1,20,000 tons. So that will be the case of Satavahana Ispat. Midwest Iron is again 12%, so I have gotten 12% and 90,000. So I calculate Midwest as utilization 63,000 divided by 90,000. Kirloskar Ferrous is 32% of 7,50,000. 16% was 1,20,000, so 32% will be double that, so this will be 2,40,000. And Usha Ispat is around 28%, so this you might have to calculate. So this is 40, 14, 56, 19, 0, 10, so around 210. So I get 2,10,000. Where is this ratio the highest? So this is production. All of these numbers that are in the table, these are production. This is capacity. Utilization is production by capacity. Okay, production by capacity. They are saying where is the greatest utilization, meaning where is this ratio the highest. So we see 30,000 roughly by 90,000 is 0.33. So for Lanco, utilization is around 0.33. For Satavahana, 80,000 by 1,20,000 is around 0.1, 0.66. For Midwest Iron, around 60,000 by 90,000 is 0.66 again. Kirloskar Ferrous is less than 50%. Okay, so it's less than 0.5. And Usha Ispat, if you see, 1,94,000 by 210 is greater than 90%. So the highest capacity utilization would be with Usha Ispat. Remember, utilization is production by capacity. Hence here Usha Ispat has the highest capacity utilization. So from the previous diagram, let us look at what their capacities are. Which company had the lowest capital cost? So we have to take care of this capital cost per ton. So what is their capacity? Lanco, we got it as 90,000. And then Satavahana, we got it as 1,20,000. Midwest Iron also we got as 90,000. Kirloskar Ferrous, we got it as around 2,40,000. And Usha Ispat, we got as around 2,10,000. Okay. Capital cost, lowest capital cost. Let us see the capital cost for Lanco. Capital cost for Lanco is 540 million is 10 power 6. Okay, capital cost is in rupees million. This is capital cost by 90 into 10 power 3. So if you see 90 to 10 power 3, this is around 13. This is 6,000 rupees per ton. Rupees per ton. Okay, this is in tons, this is in millions. So I have done 540 into 10 power 6. Remember, you have to do this because this is in millions. That divided by 90,000 would give you 6,000 rupees per ton. So that is Lanco. Satavahana, let us see what is it for Satavahana. We get 544 Again, I am not going to do the exact divisions. That's another thing that you have to remember in data interpretation. That divided by 120. Okay, 120. This is roughly 4.5. Why? 120 into 4 is 480. 120 into 4.5 is 480 plus 60, which is 540. So this is slightly above, or I'll keep it as 4,500. This is 4,500 rupees per ton. So as of now, this is the lowest. For Midwest I do 399.96. So I write that as 400. 400 into 10 power 6 divided by 90 into 10 power 3. So 90 into 4 would be 360. So into 4.5 would be 360 plus 45, 405. This is approximately 4,500, but less than 4,500. But less. This is slightly more than 4,500. This is slightly less than 4,500. Midwest is slightly less than 4,500. If we go to Kirloskar ferrous, we get it as 1000 into 10 power 6. This is 999.84. I keep it as 1000 divided by 2,40,000. This is, if it was 250 into 10 power 3, if it was 2,50,000, I would have gotten it as 4,000. So this is slightly, approximately 4,000, but slightly more than 4,000. This is more than 4,000. Okay, this is more than 4,000. And if you see Usha Ispat, I get 844 into 10 power 6 by 2,10,000. This is almost 4,000. So this is almost 4,000. So Usha Ispat is the closest and it has the lowest capital cost per ton, 4,000 rupees. Hence my answer is Usha Ispat. See, if the given capacity of the 5 companies, total of the 5 companies is 7,51,000. If this is 37.55% of the country's capacity, what is 100% of the country's capacity is asked. So we do 751 into 100 divided by 37.55. If you see 37.55 into 2, 37.5 into 2 would have been 75. 37.55 into 2 is 75.1. Hence, if you do this as 1, this would be 2, 0, 0, 20,000. So this is 20,000 tons into 100. Your answer would be 200,000, which is 20 lakh tons. That is the answer. Okay, 20 lakh tons is the country's capacity. If 7,51,000 is 37.55%, the country's capacity, 20 lakh tons is the total country's capacity. Highest capacity. See, we had gotten the individual capacities, right? We had gotten Lanco as 90,000. This says 1,20,000. This says 90,000 capacity. I'm writing the capacity in the first problem in this set. This was 2,40,000 and this was around 2,10,000. These are the individual capacities got by multiplying this percentage here with this number. So this is the highest capacity. So what is the capacity utilization of the company which has the highest capacity? Company which has the highest capacity is Kirloskar Ferrous. Their capacity utilization is 103,484 divided by 2,40,000. See, you don't have to calculate also. If it was 1 lakh, 1 lakh divided by 2,50,000 would have been exactly 40%, right? So this is very close to that. 1 lakh is very close to 1,03,000, 2,40,000 closer. This would have been around 40%, slightly more than 40%. Slightly more than 40%. So our answers are, one is 29, one is 66. So the answer would be 43%. You can calculate capacity utilization of the company which has the highest capacity is 43%. Hence that is the answer. See, aggregate capacity utilization. So you have the total capacity which is 7,51,000. So aggregate capacity utilization will be total production by total capacity. Total capacity we know. Total production you add. Okay, so if you add this, what do you get? 13. Take care to add it. Okay, so 13, 17, 21, 27, 2, 11, 16, 17, 25, 32, 3, 12, 19, 21, 25, 26. So okay, let me write it here. 6, 2, 7, 6, 2, 3, 6, 9, 13, then 4, 12, 18, 18 plus 9, 20, sorry, 27, and then 2, 3, 4, 73. So I have total production as 473,627, total capacity as 7,51,000. So if you see the option, right? So assume 7.5 into 6 is closer to this number. So this meaning 0.6 would approximately 60%. Approximately 0.6. This is around 60%. 0.6 or around 60%. None of those options are close. Okay, we have 33.33, we have 10, 30, we have 13, 18, 98, 33.6. This is around 60%. If you want to calculate, you calculate the exact value. Answer is 60%, approximately 60%. So it will be none of them. If you had options saying 60%, 62%, 58%, and all that, then you calculate in more detail. But our options are so far apart, won't have to calculate in detail also. It will be around 60%, none of the above.